It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton. Today we're looking at the 2020 GMC Acadia Denali. We'll start by taking a look inside the front of the Acadia. On the driver's door, we've got power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors, power folding mirrors. We've also got our programmable memory seat, our child lock button, and our auto express windows. Down here we've got our power liftgate button and our premium Bose sound system. Over here we've got our power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support. Those buttons can be found on both the driver's seat as well as the front passenger seat. Up above we've got our power sunroof. Next I'm going to hop right in and we'll take a look at the leather wrapped heated steering wheel. On the left side of the steering wheel, we've got our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert. On the right side, we've got our audio buttons. Here we've got our digital dash. We can scroll through our dash by simply pushing the buttons on the steering wheel. Up above, we've got our power sunroof buttons, our programmable garage door, and the OnStar button. Down below, we've got GMC's Infotainment Center with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We've also got navigation in the Acadia. And this screen doubles as our backup camera. We've got various camera views and some with guidance. Over here we have our push start button. Down below, dual climate control with air conditioning. Just below that, we've got our park reverse drive buttons. And down below that, we've got our USB and power plugins, as well as our SD card slot and our wireless charging pad. To use the wireless charging pad, you simply place your phone on the pad and it will charge the phone for you. Down below that, we've got our auto stop start button, traction control, emergency lights, and park assist. Over here we've got heated and cooled front leather seats, lane departure alert, 2- and 4-wheel drive, sport mode, and off-road mode. Our center console is quite deep and spacious. At the front of the Acadia Denali, we've got that unique Denali grille. There's also a front camera on the grille. We've also got fog lights, 20-inch wheels, a 3.6-liter V6 engine. Our side mirrors have our side blind zone alert. We've got some roof rails. We've also got intelligent access. So as long as you've got the key fob on you, you simply push any of those silver buttons on the door handles and it will either lock or unlock the doors for you. As we make our way to the very back, we've got our power lift gate. So we can pop that open with the push of a button. In the very back here, we've got the tethers to fold those 2 rear seats down. We've got some cargo hooks, power plugins, and we also have a storage compartment located down below. Next, we'll take a look inside the back of this 6-passenger crossover. As you can see, there's lots of head and leg room for those passengers riding in the middle row. On the passenger door, we've got a cup holder and power windows. On the backs of those front seats, we've got a couple of seat pockets. On the back of the center console, we've got our rear climate control, a 120-volt power plug-in, a USB plug-in. We also have a rear sunroof. These rear seats fold down and slide forward with the pull of the lever so we can gain access to that 3rd row. The 3rd row's got 2 additional seats, some cup holders, and a USB plug-in. So come take a look at this 2020 GMC Acadia Denali today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.